Hi friends, we're talking about going to the doctor, and here's our story. Going to the doctor. Have you had a visit to the doctor? I have. Had my ears checked and everything else. This is the J family. Mrs. J, Jenny J, Mr. J, Jack J, and Rory the dog. And here's Joey J. And Nod the cat, he's under the bed. Jenny has woken up with a bad cough, and Jack hurt his arm. They must go see the doctor. Mrs. J phoned the doctor. She makes an appointment while Mr. J helps Jack get dressed. Ow, he shouts. Watch my arm, Dad. The J's go to see the doctor. Mrs. J takes Jack, Jenny, and Joey to see Dr. Woody. We've got an appointment at 2 o'clock, she tells the receptionist. The receptionist checks her book. Yes, it's Jack and Jenny, isn't it, she says. And for Joey, too. Mrs. J reminds her she needs to take her shots. The J's sit in the waiting room. There's a lot of people waiting to see the doctor. Mrs. J reads a book to Jenny, Jack, and Joey, and they want to play. Now it's Jay's turn. Dr. Woody calls their name. Who shall I take first, she says. Me, says Jack, holding his arm. Dr. Woody examines Jack's arm, and she looks at his sore arm. It's not broken, she says, but you do have a sprained wrist. Dr. Woody puts Jack's arm in a sling and wears this for a few days. Dr. Woody tells him it will feel better soon. She does check out to see that Jenny, her ears, and check out to make sure she's fine. Then when they're all done, they go home. That evening, Mr. J comes home from work. Hello, everyone, he says. How are you all? Jack jumps to his feet. Joey all right? Jenny's in bed, he said, but look at my sling. So he had a broken arm. Then you can set up your own doctor's office. Here's the sign that says doctor's office. Then here's the medical form. There's all kinds of things. Take a temperature, heart rate, boy, girl. Are you coming for an eye exam, an injury, illness, checkup? And then in the packet, we have another way to take a medical form. Then on this page, here is a doctor bag or a paramedic bag that you can cut out or have an adult help you. And on the next page, there is a stethoscope that you can cut out, a scissors, and you can put them inside your medical bag with some glue that you'll find in your box. Then on the next few pages, there's some x-rays. And these are pretty cool because these are pictures of inside a view of your bones. Here's a knee picture and a shoulder picture. That's pretty cool. And an arm and a hand picture. And a skull. This is your head. And look, you can see your teeth. And your foot. There's your toes. And here's a close-up of your hand. Does your hand fit on top? Wherever you bend, that's where the bones make a crease, called your knuckles. And then here's some name tags that you can put on if you're the doctor. You can put your own picture here if you would like. Then one of the options was going to the eye doctor. So for the eye doctor, here's the doctor's office for the eye doctor. You can hang that sign. And then you can get checked for your eyes. Here's the patient chart. Left eye, right eye, you can color those. Do you need glasses? When does the patient need to come back? As you can see, I wear glasses because it helps me see. There's a couple of those. And then you can check your vision with some letters, some shapes, and some colors. So have fun with that. Have fun at the doctor or the eye doctor. Bye, friends.